Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer for you a question on vectors. The question is, we have a trapezium, ABCD, and AB is parallel to DC. AB vector is 12A, AD vector is 3B, DC vector is 18A. E is a point on the diagonal DB such that DE equal 1/3 DB. Find in terms of A and B, DB, then vector DE, then vector AE. These are easy 3 marks. We are going to start by getting vector DB. So what is vector DB? If I'm going to move from D to A, then from A to B, this is a vector equal to DB. So DB vector is equal to DA vector and AB vector. Also, DB vector is equal to DC plus CB vector, but he wants the answers in terms of A and B. So easy, we have DA and we have AB, so it's easy to move in this direction. From D to A, we will move in the direction from D to A in this direction. And then we will move from A to B. This is going to give me DA is not 3B, it is minus 3B. AD is 3B, so DA is minus 3B, plus AB, which is 12A. So it's an easy 1 mark, 12A minus 3B. This is the answer of DB. Now, let's move to DE. He wants to find DE. So DE, he gave us in the syntax of the question that DE is 1/3 DB. This is in terms of size. But we have the vector DE also is in the same direction as DB. Actually, DE and DB vectors are collinear. So DE from this we can notice that DE vector is also equal to 1/3 DB vector. Okay. Now DE vector, which is 1/3 DB vector. I previously got DB vector from AI, so it is 1/3 multiplied by 12A minus 3B, which is equal to 4A minus B. So DE vector is 4A minus B. Now we move to the third part of question A. He wants AE vector. Now AE vector is this one. So AE vector, let's do it with another color. So AE vector is this one. He wants AE vector in terms of also A and B. So we have AE vector is equal to AD vector. We have AD vector here and DE vector. Okay, we got DE vector already in terms of A and B. So we will use AE vector as the sum of AD plus DE. So AE vector is the sum of AD vector plus DE vector. Now, AD vector is already known 3B. DE vector is already known for A minus B from the previous step. We simplify 3B minus B, it gives 2B plus 4A. So the answer is 2B plus 4A. Now we go to the part B. Part B says, show by a vector method that BC is parallel to AE. He wants to show by a vector method that BC, let's answer by a different color. Let's use this black, for example. He wants to prove that BC vector is parallel to AE vector. Okay, so in order to prove this, we need to know the vector method. The vector method, if you remember, is easy. If I want to prove that a vector is parallel to a vector, then this vector is equal to a constant multiplied by the other vector. So we have BC vector equal constant multiplied by AE vector. If I prove this, if this is proven, then they are parallel. From the previous step, we got that AE is 2B plus 4A. So we know that AE vector is already 2B plus 4A. This is part of the vector method AE. The other part is BC. We want to get vector BC. Vector BC is going to equal to B. I will move in this direction. BC is equal to BA. So I'm going to move in this direction. BA then AD, then DC. This is the vector BC. Why I choose this direction? Because it is already known all in terms of A and B. So we have BC vector, BC vector is equal to BA vector plus AD vector plus DC vector. BA vector is minus 12A. AD vector is plus 3B. And DC vector is 18A. All of this is on the diagram. The sum of this after I simplify is 6A plus 3B. Now, look, the vector AE is 2B plus 4A. I can write it in a different way for A plus 2B. Okay, and here the vector BC is 6A plus 3B. So let's say that I'm going to take a common factor 3 here. So it's going to give me 2A plus B. Then in order for 2A to be 4A, I'm going to multiply by 2 up and down. So this gives me 3 over 2, and this 2 is going to enter inside the bracket. So it's going to be 4A plus 2B. Now, if I compare, I am going to find that BC vector is equal to 3 over 2, 4A plus 2B, which is AE vector. So BC vector is equal to 3 over 2 AE vector. Now I have that BC is equal to a constant multiplied by AE. The constant is 1.5, 3 over 2. So this means that BC and AE are parallel. So BC vector is equal to 3 over 2 AE vector. So BC vector is parallel to AE vector. The question like that is solved. I hope this video was interesting and you liked it. Thank you for watching, and please let me know your comments. Also, don't forget to like and share. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.